Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 31st of July. And first of all, national news. In Manipur, biometric recording of immigrants from Myanmar begin. Netflix is offering a whopping Rs 7.4 crore annual salary for artificial intelligence product manager. In contempt cases, don't let emotions affect judgment. Supreme Court. CAT 2023, IIM Lucknow released exam dates. UP, Bihar, Andhra top states in child trafficking. Delhi recorded alarming rise, a study said. Huge transformation, PM Modi on 4,000 women performing Hajj without male companions. AAP to contest parliamentary assembly elections in Arunachal in 2024. Now some international news. Netflix is offering a whopping Rs 7.4 crore annual salary for artificial intelligence product manager. Tourist plane sank off France after engine breakdown forces sea landing. Tens of thousands evacuated as Typhoon Doksuri battered China. 8 trapped in illegal Indonesia gold mine for 5 days feared feed. Official. Britain PM Rishi Sunak backed plans for new UK oil and gas exploration. War returning to Russia, Ukraine's Zelensky after Moscow drone strike. Meta's thread lost more than 50% of users, admitted Mark Zuckerberg. Sports related news. Ajinkya Rahane took U-turn on county stint, decided to take break from cricket. Stuart Broad will retire after the 5th Ashes Test. Stuart Broad is the second highest Test wicket taker after England teammate James Anderson among pacers. Morocco beat South Korea for first Women's World Cup win. And Ishan Kishan made history, surpassed Sachin Tendulkar to claim sensational ODI record. Colombia stunned Germany at World Cup, but New Zealand out in tears. The other trophy, Central Zone beat Northeast Zone by 8 wickets. Now business related news. ITR last filing date on Monday, July 31st, over 5.83 crore tax return filed in 2022-23 fiscal. 4-5 semiconductor firm exploring India packaging plant, MOS IT. New Standing Committee on Statistics held its first meet. To tap global capital, Indian firm can list directly on IFSC exchanges. Science-related news. Starry Pillar of Creation. NASA shared iconic image of Eagle Nebula. Scientists revived 46,000-year-old worm that was frozen in Siberian permafrost. ISRO rocket carrying 7 Singaporean satellites lifted off from Sriharikota. And that's all in news. Thank you.